Have you ever wondered why some apps become daily habits like Facebook and Instagram, while others get abandoned after a few uses, even when they solve the same problem? Product analytics gives us a clue into what is happening behind the scenes of these products. Now let's learn. The key metrics here is the door over more ratio, which can actually predict your product's future before it happens. Most people think high numbers alone means success, but that's dead wrong. These metrics need full context to give you a story of your product's health. Let me break this down for you super simply. Though DAU tracks daily active users, like counting kids at a lemonade stand each day, while WAU counts weekly visitors showing consistent interest like attendance at a community fitness gym or a fitness class. And more monthly active users measures your monthly reach, giving you a big picture view similar to tracking subscribers to a streaming service. But here's where it gets interesting. The ratio between them reveals everything about your product stickiness. For example, Facebook maintains a door over more ratio above 50% and Instagram above 60%, meaning that half of monthly users come back every single day. Now that's insane user loyalty. Meanwhile, average SaaS product sits around 15% for door over more ratio. Now, the interesting thing to know that the higher your ratio, the more your product becomes a daily habit like brushing your teeth. And you can see your product stickiness over time. For example, Duolingo drove 350% door growth by focusing on users' retention, and that's like turning one customer into 3.5 customers through better engagement. For B2B websites, a good door over wall ratio ranges from 10% to 20%, meaning that 10 to 20% of daily users or weekly users rather log in daily. These metrics are like vitals for your product to see exactly what matters for your growth. Sometimes high engagement could indicate friction because users have been spending too much time completing simple tasks, right? And this is where it's very important for you to actually define what active actually means for your business, right? Or your product. It needs to be specific, meaningful action, not just logging in or logging out, as the case may be. Now, ignoring your door over more ratio is like flying a plane without instruments, right? You might be headed for a crash even without knowing it. Companies obsess over users counts, but often miss measuring meaningful engagement. What metrics are you tracking to determine if users actually love your product or are just tolerating your product? I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to follow for more tips around product and data analytics as well. See you in the next video.